With UpKeep, you can automatically assign details to work orders with simple if-then statements. Creating an automated workflow involves choosing a trigger, an optional trigger detail, and a follow-up action. In this example, the trigger is a new work order. When a new work order is created for the specified asset, the correct technician is automatically assigned to it. We can automatically assign more details to work orders for this asset as well with a new automated workflow. Here, we'll automatically assign a location to any work orders for this asset. When we create a new work order for the asset, we can see the automated workflows in action. As a maintenance manager, you create the work order title and assign the asset. UpKeep does the rest. Clicking into the work order, we can see that the technician and location were automatically assigned. You can also automatically trigger new work orders based on checklist actions. For instance, if a technician marks an item on an inspection checklist as fail, a work order for that item is automatically created. We can check this by marking a checklist item as fail in a work order. After we do this, a new work order is automatically created. To do this and more with automated workflows, create a free UpKeep account and request a Business Plus trial.